I'm gonna show you how to add and configure the 10 period EMA on BabyPips. So to get started, you have to open your BabyPips account. Since BabyPips doesn't have any tools for trading charts or trading system, so we're going to choose a third-party account. You can use either MT4 or MT5 or TradingView. So for me, I'm just going to use TradingView for this chart by using BabyPips style. So to get started from there, you just have to click on your TradingView app or your browser. And then from there, you just have to click on this icon right here, which is says indicators. And then from there, you just have to search the moving average exponential. And then click on moving average exponential. And then from there, you will now see it on your chart. And then from here, to configure the setup, is all you have to do is locate here on the upper left and then click on settings. And then from here, you can see that the length is in 9, so we will change that into 10 since we want an EMA 10 period. Also, you can change the style, or you can change the settings from the color, change it to black, and also you can change the line length. So you can also change the visibility of this one. And then once you're done, we can press now OK. And there you go. Now the EMA period 10 is now shown on the chart. So that's how you set up and configure the 10 period EMA on BabyPips by TradingView.